Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a 52-inch ceiling fan by a company called Ensenior. As you can see, it has this nice modern look. It has these nice warm looking real wood blades. It has 5 of them, so it really can pump out the air. It was super easy to put together. It took my wife and I about 2 hours to fully disassemble the old fan and assemble this. Instructions were super clear, easy to follow. One of the big things that stood out to me in the instruction is on the side, it has a little panel where you plug in all the electrical wires. That made it a lot easier. You weren't having to twist and kind of get them in a nut or anything. You just slid them into these slots and then tightened the screw, which made it super easy. I really liked that feature. But overall, as you can see, it's very modern, it's very nice looking, and so let's go over all the actual features of what it can do, because it can do a ton of features. So first off, it comes with a remote control, and this is how you're going to operate it. You're just going to leave your switch on, and everything's going to be controlled from the remote. So first off, you can hit the power button to turn it on, or you can just simply press the big fan button in the middle, and it will start to activate. This fan has 6 different modes. It has one mode all the way up to 6. It throws out a lot of air. If on the lower 1 or 2, that's typically what we have it on, and it's great for us. But if you want a ton of air, this thing can move a lot of air. Pull it up all the way to 6, and it will get going. So let me kind of show you what that looks like. So this is 1. 6, it will really start spinning. Now, one thing I also want to point out, it has the ability right there, the little arrows. You can change the direction of the fan. So in the summertime, you want that air flowing downward. You're going to make sure to push the cold air, feel that breeze. But in the winter, you want to throw that air up the ceiling so that way it pushes the hot air down. So simply press the button. You no longer have to worry about flipping a switch on the fan. But now you can hear it's on 6. I'm going to be quiet here so you can hear how loud it is. It's really quiet for moving this fast, which is a nice feature. So when it's on 1 or 2, you don't hear it at all, which is really great. As far as another feature it has, down here at the very bottom of the remote, it has this leaf button. What is the leaf button? It is a natural wind mode. So what that means is the fan is going to go from ramp up to fast to slow, and it's going to do that randomly to make it simulate like air, like you're just getting hit with natural breezes. It's kind of a nice mode, especially when you're sleeping, but if you don't like it, you can keep it off, but it is a nice feature to have. Next to that, you have timers. You have the 1 hour, the 2 hour, and the 4 hour timers. So if you only want the fan running for a certain amount of time, just simply press those timers. Then the second grouping here, this is the lighting control. So as you can see, here is the light. It's just an LED board that is in the middle there. It pumps out a maximum of 1200 lumens. So we'll just press the button here and turn on the light. So there it goes. This is in the dimmest section, so it dims down to 10%. Just press the arrow buttons, and you can see it gets bright. When you hear the beep, it hits. It's on the maximum level. So it gets nice and bright. So if you're doing laundry or something like that, or cleaning, you can see everywhere. But if you're getting ready for bed and you want it on dimmer, you can do that. It also has different color temperatures. So right now I have it on the warmest temperature, which to get that, you just press the light bulb that is orange. To go to the cooler temperatures, you're going to press the black light bulb, and as you can see, it's going to cycle through those Kelvin temperatures all the way to that very white light. So depending on what color you want, you've got the options. You don't have to change out light bulbs or anything like that. I personally like it on the warmer colors. Now, there is this little shield button with an exclamation in the middle. What does that mean? That is security mode. So what security mode is doing is if you are traveling and you press that, it's going to randomly turn on and off the light. So that way it simulates like your home. So if you're concerned about somebody's watching your house or whatnot, this light is going to be coming on and off randomly, so somebody will think you're home and maybe pass your house. So that's a nice, once again, feature that this fan has built into it. But overall, I'm a big fan of it. Like I said, it has a ton of features, so you can really customize to your experience, which I really, really love. I love the modern look. It really surprised me how nice it looks when I opened it up and installed it. So that was a big, big plus, and it just throws out a lot of air, which is really nice for either a large space or a small space. So if you are in the market for a ceiling fan, I totally recommend this one. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.